so eager to see these new rattan lights that I have. Let's check them out. So they come sheathed in this plastic, nestled right next to each other with the components tucked nicely inside. Look at that. Excellent. And then what's fun about these is sometimes you want to try something out in a room, but you don't know if you want to permanently affix it. So this is awesome because it does allow you to plug it in. You don't have to hardwire hanging lights. And I feel like it's kind of a great option to decide. Rattan product is something that I would want in my home, but I haven't decided where exactly I want rattan lights. So this gives me a chance I can like try it in my bedroom and try it in a few different areas and see what I'm going to want to do best. It's gonna be so easy, like 1, 2, 3. We have this area under the stairs that I painted, and I like this light fixture, but now I'm very curious about hanging these rattan fixtures because I saw something at the store where they actually have like rattan fixtures with this type of shape. So let's check it out and see. It's definitely going to be easy because I don't have to worry about another installation since these can be managed by just plugging them into the outlet. This comes bundled separately, and so I'm going to unwind it and put the bulb in and we'll be all set. This is what it looks like with a standard bulb inside. And now I'm going to use the awesome bulb that it comes with, and we'll just see how they look by comparison. So this is the low setting. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, the included light bulb is definitely a great choice for this fixture. And then you can increase the brightness from low to high. So let's just see what it looks like when it's a little brighter. Now I have it on high, and this is the full brightness. I really love this fixture. And then let's take a look and see what it looks like with my inspiration bulb and this light fixture over here. All right, well, they both have the Edison bulb style, and then we have a similar shape. I think these are fun together. I will go ahead and get my next one up, and I'll get to see all of them together. But I definitely highly approve of this light, and it does include a lot of great hardware to be able to install it and secure it from the ceiling. And then you even have these loops to be able to, you know, loop it over so that if you're in a corner and you need to plan for that, you can definitely have it pulled out of the way.